Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chablee Peterson and I'm back with another Amazon findings. I'm finding some amazing things on Amazon, you guys. Earbuds, if you need some and you're working out and they always pop out, you might want to try these. So if you like earbuds and you have problems with your earbuds and you're looking for some, then you need to check this out. Shake my head and move around. These puppies are not coming out, you guys. And I didn't even put them in there that deep. I love that. All right, I received these in the mail, Raycon. Yes, I wanted green for the money, green for the honeys. Not playing, I just love green. Why not? Army green. Look at that. Beautiful packaging. It does have a nice thin plastic over it, and I also got a cover. So these are what I'm going to do a review on today. So let's jump into it, y'all. I'm one of those people that's really not into earbuds. I don't like really nothing in my ear. You know, I hear so many crazy stories of people getting ear infection, cancer, and all this crazy stuff. So I'm usually a speaker girl. But when I looked at the reviews on this company, and the water resistance, the awareness of the mood, the activity of the noise, and all the different colors you get to pick from these different earbuds, this packaging is nice. So then I was like, why not give this a try? Wow, this is really pretty. This little card. Oh, here's the price right here, you guys. And these are all the different colors that they have. So if you're not a green person, then you can go for the black and the other colors that they have. Instantly, right when I placed them in my ear, it's saying A and C mode is on. It's already active. Wow. Awareness mode is off. Pure sound. This is so great. And it's lit up when you close it. Okay. See, I believe this is the cover. Right on top of there, and this right on the bottom there, and it's like an eggshell, and boom. That is so cute. That is so cute, you guys. I like the texture and the quality of the material of the case too. It has like a little rubbery, soft texture to it. And the inside is a little sticky, and it's like a little sticky thing I should take off, or maybe that's a magnet. I think that's a magnet with a blue cover plastic to it. Let me see if I'm right. Yeah, I am. Okay. It's a little sticky thing. So I could just take that, remove that off, and it's gonna stick to the top. And voila, voila. So doesn't slide off. Then it's on there good. The bottom is on there really good. Very nice. And it looks like I got a little strap that comes with it. So it's the little holes right here, and you just loop that in, and you get this fun black and white strap with a tightening to it. I mean, you can use it as a strap, keychain holder, little hand holder, or pop it on your bag or purse or something like that, and voila. Extremely nice packaging. So this is some great features that the earbud can do. Yes, this is what they're claiming that you're going to receive. So I received the Everyday Protected Earbud case. I never heard of such a thing, but when I saw it, I was like, oh, I need to have this. Need to try it. They have it with different colors. I just like this. They call it cotton candy. This box is really great material. And there she is, my case. If I'm going to a water park or Magic Mountain and I want my ear sets in, you know, I'm gonna protect it with the case and connect it to my purse. You guys saw the strap. And voila, and I don't have to worry about it. Or even it just being banged up in my purse, rattling around, and this will like protect it by waterproofing it, scratch proof, cracking it. Just make the sound nice and crisp, and the, you know, and it can last a lot longer. So it really is a good investment, and they have great colors. And I love the concept, and it makes sense. Our phone is protected, so why not protect your earbuds? Your earbuds need a case. This little slogan, power up. That is so great, and with this little cutout, so it's just easy to pull, and it's going to go in detail of barcodes. And wow, 25% for every purchase. I will send that to you guys down below, and earn $1 for every $10. This is great and amazing. I love that. You didn't have to even do that. This is a great layout. I love the simplicity of the functions of this earplug. It's really nice and easy to understand. This is great. Great packaging. All right, so look how they protected that earbud with this plastic. So that is really great. I like this foam, keeping it in place so you know it's not gonna be dinged up when you receive it. The sound is amazing. Oh, I'm feeling it. Good vibes. They fit in there so easily and nice. Very extremely comfortable. All right, you guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I love y'all, and subscribe to that channel if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss out on some wonderful product review, hair tips, and some things about lecture cars, you know, and beauty tips. As you see, my skin is glowing and flowing, like it is flawless, and I'm not wearing no makeup today and no gloss. So if you want to know how I do that, you're gonna have to check out some of my videos. And until then, I'll see you on my next video. You guys have a wonderful time wherever you're doing. Enjoy life.